Hey everyone, I wanted to pop in real quick today to show you what came in our June monthly subscriptions. I just shipped out subs yesterday, which was Monday. So in case you didn't receive it yet and you want to be surprised, I'll warn you when to click out and then make sure to come back so you can hear my thoughts behind a couple of the products. So here is the sticker kit, and as always you get a freebie sheet. So these are 4 photo boxes and the theme is planner life. So August is always like back to school, and I love that time of year, and I have kids myself, so we do still do all the back to school stuff. For those of you who aren't in school or who don't have kids, that's why I make it a more general theme, which is like planner life. So still like office supplies related, so you can apply it to back to school, but then also if school is not part of your life right now, then it's just fun office supplies. So that's what I chose for these 4 photos. So a photo of a planner, a photo of a desk, photo of some office supplies, and then I did do a photo of a backpack and like notebook and stuff. Label here that says Planner Life. So I'll show you the full kit first. It's for August, so you have the hand lettering sticker, and then you have all this super cute decorative icon stickers, and then you have all your circle icons, 4 headers there, and then 2 strips of washi here with just a pale pink background and then some just line art. So that's sheet A, and then sheet B are your 8 full boxes. I really love this clip art so much, and then a thin strip of washi there. So that's sheet B. Sheet C are your quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and checklists. So that's sheet C, and then sheet D are the labels, headers, some more circle icons, and then another thin washi strip there. So that's sheet D. And then if you get the mini sticker kit subscription, you get the freebie still, sheet A, and then you get sheet E. So this is just a selection of full boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes. So now I'm going to show you the stationery sub, and if you want to be surprised, then go ahead and click out now, but make sure to come back once you get your sub so we can go through it together. So let's start with what's on top. So this is something new to the shop. I did decals. You can use these on your laptops, your phones, your water bottles, wherever you want, or you could just clip them into your planner and don't take it off of the backing. So I really love how these turned out. So the first one says, "Every day I'm plannering." So this is one of the reasons why I want to come on here and explain this to you, because as far as I know, I haven't heard anyone use this term, and so I wanted to explain what it was. So it's a kind of play on words from that old school song, "Every Day I'm Hustling." So this is "Every Day I'm plannering," and I decided to use plannering instead of planning because I thought that planning is just like, you know, you're planning your month, your week, your day, whatever. But plannering is the whole thing. Like you're planning, you're decorating your planner, you're setting up your planner, you're buying all the things for your planner, you're doing photo shoots with your planner. And it makes me kind of giggle every time I see this because I think it's so funny, and I think a lot of us can relate to that. So I thought that was really cute. I don't know if you can see the cut lines, but it's cut around here. And then there's this one, another play on words, "Crazy Planner Lady." And I had this idea because, you know, that popular phrase, "crazy cat lady," and then people started saying "crazy plant ladies," and then this popped into my head, "crazy planner lady." These are all the planners I actually had at one point, and I thought it was just super funny that we're like crazy planner ladies with all our million planners. It has all the different planners in here, like the spiral planners, the disc planners, like my Lychee White Moterm, a Moleskine or Stalogy planner, the Louis Vuitton planners, the Croc planners. And then this is the last one. And this, if you don't know, is from the Ariana Grande song, Seven Rings. And every time I hear that song, I think about planner stuff. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make a decal or a sticker or something with those words. And so I put a little planner, little stickers, little washi, and a little mailer. I really like these a lot. I hope you guys do too. And then the next item is a planner card. What I think about is like self-care, staying in bed, resting, me time, all of that stuff. And it goes along with one of the other mystery items, which I'll show you in a second. You always get 2 sheets of vellum. So these are very similar. It's just those, are these called like palm leaves or something? One in a pale green and one in like a pale brownish, taupe-ish color. And I thought it'd be really pretty layered with things. Either this card, like this, look how pretty that is. So you get those 2 vellums. And then the last item in the stationery sub, I feel like a lot of us are going through stuff and I wanted to create something that can be helpful with what we're going through. So this is a journal, it's a 30-day journal, and this is how it looks. I love the like line art on it, and I called it Day by Day. So the first page in the journal explains the purpose. This journal was created to guide you in a daily exercise, ideally in the evening right before bed, of releasing the bad vibes of the day, of deep breathing to calm and center yourself, and of visualizing your goals and dreams as you drift off to sleep. We added a section to each day for noting daily moods and habits. This info might be helpful to see how your moods and habits could be affecting your daily vibe in positive and negative ways. So then you have 30 days of this spread here. Flip through it real quick. It's just the same thing. There's a spot for you to put the date, your mood for the day, how many hours of sleep you got the night before, and if the quality of sleep was like good, bad, okay, if you got any exercise or any kind of activity for the day, and if you did anything for self-care, like even just reading or meditating, just going for a quick walk around the block or something like that. And then you have 3 sections here. So the first section, I called it Release, and it says what stress, fear, limiting, or false belief is burdening you in this moment. Take a few minutes to get it out of your head and onto the lines below. So there's just some lines here for you to list out anything, you know, that happened in the day that might be kind of like either bothering you or just something that you want to release before you go to bed. So it could be something that might be stressing you out right now, or an argument you had with a loved one, or just something that's been on your mind that you don't want to go to sleep with it on your mind. You write it out here. And then the second section, I called it Breathe. So it says take a few minutes to simply breathe, allowing your body to relax. Feel the weight of your burdens lighten in this moment. So something that's really worked for me is releasing whatever is like burdening me or heavy on my mind, putting it down on paper so it's out of my head onto paper, and then breathing. So taking deep breaths, because I know for me, when I'm stressing or going through something, I know my breathing is really shallow. So this is reminding me to take those deep cleansing breaths. And then I made sure to write, feel the weight of your burden lighten in this moment, because I know obviously it's not going to magically disappear on this page, but in the moment of breathing, you can kind of exhale all that stress or fear or negative energy out for this moment. And then the third part is manifest. What goal are you trying to reach? Who do you want to be? How do you want to feel? Take a few moments to write it down below, then close your eyes and visualize yourself achieving, being, and feeling these things. So as the last step, right before you drift off to sleep in bed, just thinking about whatever it is you want to achieve or feel, or the kind of person you want to be, imagining it in your head like it's really happening, visualizing those things in your head like it's real right now in this moment. Then when you drift off to sleep, those are the last thoughts you have before you go to sleep. And then it kind of like works in your subconscious, in your mind as you're sleeping. So the idea is when you wake up, those feelings were like manifesting in your sleep, in your dreams. You wake up with all these good vibes ready to tackle the day and really make these things happen. So I combined a few things that have been working for me over the months, and I just put them together in this journal. I thought it would be a nice, like maybe 10-minute practice to do every night, and that's why I call it day by day. It's something to do each day or each night to release, to breathe, and to manifest the things that you want in your life. Keeping it short and sweet like this makes it not overwhelming, makes it doable, and makes it a practice that you could sustain. I guess my hope is just to start a daily habit of releasing all these like troubling things that have been weighing down on us and manifesting all the good stuff. So yeah, that's it. These are all the things that came in our June monthly subscription. I'm really excited about the new things like the decals and the journals, and I do have plans. I'm working on other new things to bring to the shop that we haven't had before, so that's always exciting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.